If Jesus paid the debt for everyone's sin, then why does anybody go to hell, since the debt for their sins has already been paid?
I think that on the basis of Christ's satisfaction of divine justice, that his atoning death is sufficient for all persons to be saved and pardoned, but that it is on the basis of Christ's satisfaction of divine justice that God offers us a pardon for sin, which we are then free to accept or reject. Just as when the king or the queen pardons someone, that person can refuse the pardon and then still be held liable for the crimes that he has committed. So a person can refuse the pardon that Christ has won, in which case his death is unavailing for us. So I don't agree with the Calvinist who thinks of the atonement as sort of a done deal at the cross. I think that although the divine justice has been satisfied at the cross, it needs to be applied historically to people's lives as they hear the message of the gospel and respond to God's offer of a free pardon. And they are then free to accept or to reject that pardon.